This is part 2 of repairing a Schatz cuckoo clock. I got the lift lock lever and rack stop lever off. And the rack stop lever has got these two pieces right here that also function to help the bird operate. So now I need to take the nuts off. And putting some pressure on the time side, the clock seems to be ticking. Whether it will continue to tick due to worn pivot holes, I don't know. But I'm going to clean it up, put it back together, and find out. With regular 8-day movement, if there's any worn pivot holes whatsoever, the clock will not run. I'm not for sure on the Schatz. You always want to try to get a good idea where all your parts went, and that's why I am taking this video, and I also need to take a picture because seeing this as a new clock to me, I want to be able to put it back in the right spot. I do have, however,